Hello guys, today I'll teach you how to make this abstract image in Algodoo. First, select the box tool. Then make the canvas. This is optional, but you can change the color of the canvas. I'll make the canvas black, but you can choose any color. Now start adding boxes. This video would be boring, so I'll speed it up for you in 13 by speed. Okay, now you're done. When you're done, do these steps. Step 1. Right-click on the abstract cube. Create it. Then go to Selection. Then you click Move Selected to Back. Step 2. Select the canvas. Go to Combine, Shapes. Then click on Subtract. I accidentally click on Cut, so I have to remove these things on my art. But don't worry, I'll skip this part.
One skip later.
Okay, now we're finally done. You can take a screenshot of this to post it on Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok or other social media. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe. See you later.